Once upon a time, in a thick green forest, there was a beautiful river that sparkled in the sunlight. On one side of the river stood a big tree, and a lot of colorful flowers are around on the other side. The tree had full of delicious, juicy red fruits. All birds and animals eat these fruits. A clever little monkey lived on that tree. Every day, he swung from branch to branch, singing happily and munching on the sweet fruits. One sunny morning, as the monkey was busy in eating fruit, he noticed a crocodile resting near the riverbank. The crocodile looked hungry and tired. The kind monkey called out,
"Hello there, Mr. Crocodile. Would you like to taste these fruits? They are the sweetest in the whole forest."
The crocodile looked up and smiled weakly.
"Oh, thank you, little monkey," he said.
"I haven't eaten anything all day."
The monkey threw down a few fruits, and the crocodile gobbled them up.
"Mum, these are delicious," he said happily.
From that day on, the monkey and the crocodile become good friends. Every morning, the monkey gave the crocodile some fruits, and they talked about their lives. The crocodile told stories about his family who lived on the other side of river, and the monkey shared tales about the birds and animals in the forest. They enjoyed each other's company. One day, the crocodile decided to take some fruits home to his wife. The crocodile told stories about his family, who lived on the other side of river. When Mrs. Crocodile tasted them, she loved the sweetness. But soon, a greedy thought came to her mind. "If these fruits are tasty and so sweet," she said, "then the monkey, who eat them every day, must have a heart even sweeter. I want to eat that monkey's heart." The crocodile was shocked.
"No, dear, the monkey is my best friend. I can't harm him,"
he said, but his wife pretended to be very upset. "If you really love me," she said, "you will bring me the monkey's heart." At last the crocodile gave in. The next day he went to Monkey.
The crocodile said to Monkey, "My friend, my wife really loves the fruits too much. She wants to meet you and thank you personally. Why don't you come with me to our home across the river?"
The monkey was delighted.
"That sounds wonderful, but how I will cross the river?" he asked.
The crocodile smiled and said, "Climb on my back, and I will take you."
The monkey jumped onto his friend's back and started crossing the river. When they reached the middle, the crocodile suddenly said,
"My wife wants to eat your heart. I am really sorry, my friend."
The clever monkey quickly thought of a plan.
Dear," he said calmly, "why you didn't tell me before? I left my heart on the tree. Let's go back, so I can bring it."
The foolish crocodile believed him and swam back. As soon as they reached the riverbank, the monkey leapt up to the top of tree
And shrouded in, "You silly crocodile, how can anyone leave their heart behind? You tried to trick me, but now you will get nothing."
The crocodile hung his head in shame and swam away quietly. The monkey had learned to be careful about whom to trust, and Crocodile never tried to deceive anyone.